Thanks for tuning in, and today I want to continue my EDC for 2025 series and talk about this new pouch that I got. I wanted to replace my Gentlestache one, but haven't been able to because I haven't been able to find that particular one in stock. It's just gone out of stock for good, I think. And also just haven't been able to find one in that size. So this is basically the same exact size as my Gentlestache one. So if you've been tuning in from the beginning, you know how I love this pouch. Holds a lot of items, very durable. And this one right here is exactly the same size. It's that A7 4x3 size. I've seen other pouches similar to this, but they're more like the 5x4, so not as pocketable. And so I'm really excited to show you this pouch. Now I'm not going to go over everything on the inside, just kind of briefly touch upon it. But starting with the outside, you've got a couple of card slots right here, so you could throw in some money or some business cards, and also a pocket back here. So you could use this as a wallet along with your EDC items as well. Has a pass-through, so you can attach it to your belt and wear it on your hip. And then also a little loop if you want to attach it with a carabiner. Now it's got this X-Pack-like material. I don't think it's X-Pack per se, but it should repel some water. And it's got YKK zippers with a gusset all around. It looks like it's a fabric gusset, so I don't know how well that will repel the water, but if this is in your pocket or in a sling bag, it will do just fine. So opening it up, you see it's got a slightly different organization set up than my Gentlestache pouch, but I really like it. It holds a few items that are essential for EDC, and I really wanted to go back to the essentials and not overfill this pouch. So what I've got here is my pocket pen, right in the Rain pocket pen. I love this pen because when you put the cap on the other end, it actually turns it into a full-size pen that's pressurized, so you can write in the Rain with the special paper that they sell, and then when you want to close it back up, it collapses down into a very nice size, so perfect for that little space right there. Also have the Write in the Rain notebook. This is the wallet size notebook back here. And again, this is so that you can write in extreme weather conditions, you can get it wet, and using the pen, you should have no problems with the ink like rubbing off. And so you can see it's got perforated pages, which is nice. And I added a little book dart to mark my space as well. So that fits back there really nicely. And I always love to carry a little notebook and pen everywhere I go. So then I have a pair of Cobra pliers, which I've done many videos on, along with the little light that magnetizes to it. So this little light turns on, and if you need a little bit of light when you've forgotten your flashlight, you can just stick it on there, and if you're in a tight space, you can have a little light to see what you're doing. Of course, I always carry my Victorinox Tinker with me. This got scissors, it's got the parcel hook, the awl, driver, 2 blades, bottle and can opener, you name it. It's a great overall multi-tool, tweezers. I've lost a toothpick, but just so many different functions, and that's why I always carry that with me. Now over on this side are kind of the newer items that I want to go over, and this is just a little Nano Ratchet driver, and I love this thing. I just actually used this the other day when I was working on my closet doors. They kind of broke, and I need to tighten one of the hinges / attachment points, and it was just kind of a tight space, and this worked perfectly for that. And I love the fact that it comes with a little stubby bit right here, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. I did throw in the back here, there's another pocket back here. Show you just a few extra bits that I had lying around so I can have different size bits if I need them. So perfect for back there. Then I have my Rovi Von Angel Eyes E1 flashlight, and this is a great flashlight because, let me see, I think that's locked, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll unlock it because it's got a moonlight mode, and then it's got the regular mode, low, medium, and high. Let's see, probably can't see it too well because it's kind of, there's a lot of light here, but it's got low, medium, and high. And then the great thing about this is that even if you run out of charge, you do have to charge it with the USB-C cable. You can still, if you have a AAA battery, use the battery as a backup right here and just install that. So that's really a great feature on this. It's got a pocket clip which you can just take off and reverse if you wanted to. Just a great overall flashlight. It outputs 700 lumens, so for a small flashlight like this, it's very powerful and very good for EDC. So I did a review of this. This was actually sent to me by Rovi Von, and I just really like the flat design. I think that's kind of The new thing nowadays is just flashlights that have that rectangular / flat design. It just fits better in pouches like this. And then lastly, I just have another blade. This is a blade that I picked up for like less than $4, I believe, at Harbor Freight. And it's just a mini utility knife with a back lock. And you just open it up. You can just show you how small the blade actually is. And you can see it's a very, very small blade. It actually comes with a pack of blades, extra blades, so you don't have to go searching for them. And then this is great for opening boxes and packages and, cutting through plastic and tape. So really cool for $4 from Harbor Freight. So really impressed with that, and that just fits in nicely right in this section here. So that's it. That's the overview of my little pouch. It's a generic pouch. It's obviously from AliExpress. Paid about $10 for this, so not bad. We'll see how long it lasts in terms of durability, but I'm expecting that it will perform pretty well, at least to start 2025 off with. This is what I'm going to be carrying as part of my daily everyday carry, or EDC. So let me know your thoughts and comments below, and until the next video, God bless.